In a world bustling with constant demands and distractions, embracing mindfulness can be a transformative journey toward a healthier lifestyle. Mindfulness, the practice of being present and fully engaged in the moment, teaches us to observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment. Imagine sitting quietly, letting the rhythm of your breath ground you, allowing the chaotic noise around you to fade away. This simple act of focus creates a sanctuary amidst life's storms, offering solace and clarity. When stressors arise, our instinct may be to react impulsively, spiraling down into anxiety. Mindfulness equips us with the tools to pause, providing a moment to acknowledge our circumstances and choose our responses wisely. Visualize standing at a crossroads with mindfulness as your compass, guiding you toward conscious decisions that prioritize your mental well-being. As you cultivate this habit, you begin to recognize patterns in your stress responses, enabling you to navigate challenges with grace and resilience. Incorporating mindfulness into daily life can manifest in various forms, from meditation and yoga to deep breathing exercises and reflective journaling. Picture yourself taking a leisurely walk, intentionally focusing on the sensation of your feet against the ground, the whisper of the wind, and the dance of leaves overhead. This practice not only enriches your experience, but fosters a sense of connection to the world. By consistently weaving mindfulness into your routine, you cultivate emotional balance and learn to tackle stress with confidence, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling, healthier lifestyle.